Kenya can use a combination of scientific and nature-based solutions to combat climate change and fight drought. Some strategies that could be considered include carbon capture and storage, technologies that capture carbon dioxide from the air or from industrial sources and store it underground can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate climate change. Renewable energy, replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate climate change. Water conservation, implementing water conservation measures, such as using drip irrigation and reducing water waste, can help reduce water usage and increase the efficiency of irrigation. Water storage, building reservoirs, dams, and other water storage infrastructure can help capture and store water during times of plenty, which can be used during drought periods. Drought-resistant crops, planting crops that are more resistant to drought can help reduce the impact of drought on agriculture and increase food production. Climate-smart agriculture, adopting agricultural practices that are more resilient to drought and other climate-related challenges can help reduce the impact of drought on agriculture and increase food production. Early warning systems, implementing early warning systems, such as weather monitoring and forecasting, can help farmers and other stakeholders prepare for drought and take appropriate action to mitigate its impacts. Reforestation and afforestation, planting trees and other vegetation can help absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, as well as help mitigate the impacts of drought by increasing soil moisture and reducing surface runoff. Wetland restoration, restoring wetlands and other natural habitats can help store carbon and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, as well as help mitigate the impacts of drought by increasing water availability and reducing soil erosion. Soil carbon sequestration, practices that promote the uptake of carbon by soil, such as agroforestry and regenerative agriculture, can help reduce atmospheric CO2 concentrations and increase soil moisture, which can help mitigate the impacts of drought. Thank you for listening, and do remember to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Climate Change Kenya for more educational lessons on matters climate change. I have been your host Dr. Kinyanjuko Mbora, your climate change and agricultural expert.